สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy, and today I am so happy to present to you how to make the Southern curry and coconut snack, or look het. It is a unique and authentic recipe that you can find in the southern part of Thailand. The reason I made this today because it's the request from my grandmother. She is already 95 years old. She is forgetful, but one thing that she is never forget is the food that she used to make to us. And this is the special snack that she missed. By the way, no one really know the real recipe that she used to make. So I have to ask my dad and my mom and try to use the memory of what are the ingredients. And this morning we do our best to gather the ingredients from the garden and from the local market.
Introducing polysias, a delicate ingredient with a mild peppery taste that adds a touch of heat to many Thai curry dish. Wild betel leaves add another layer of peppery aroma to the dish. Lemongrass, freshly harvested from our sustainable farm. Curcuma, not only adding a splash of vibrant color to southern Thai cuisine, but also a wealth of nutritious benefits. Galangal, extracted from the soil with effort, brings an earthy and robust peppery oil to the mix, rounding out the flavor profile of this southern Thai curry paste perfectly. And let's not forget the freshly picked and grated coconut. Completing our ingredients is sweet potato, providing a lovely texture and a mild, sweet taste to the dish.
And here are the ingredients that I have prepared. Grated coconut, grated sweet potato, polysias, betel leaves, and southern curry paste. And next, I'm going to start to mix it together. By the way, to make sure that I make the flavor or mix the flavor up to my grandmother's standard, I have to call my mom to help. Okay, here's my mom. So let's see if we can remember what my grandmother has done for us. Let's get started. And the southern curry paste has the curcuma. You don't want the yellow color to stick on your hand over a week, so you better have the gloves on. Start with the half of the curry paste. Okay. เผาสักครึ่งหนึ่งนะ All the grated coconuts go in. So a little bit more of the curry paste, like that. Okay, sweet potato. เท่านี้ก่อนนะ Don't worry guys, I will remember all the portion of the recipes and then I will put it on my website worldofthaifood.com อีกนิดนึงนะหมดไหมคะสักครึ่งพอสักครึ่งหนึ่งนะคะ And now I think she is happy with the portion of the sweet potato, grated coconut and curry paste. Betel leaves ใช้หมดไหมคะหมดเลยนะคะ Okay. So make sure that all the sliced betel leaves are spread all over in the mixture. Polysias. ใส่ไปแล้วใส่ไปในเครื่องแล้วหอมเนาะใส่เลยนะคะ and 1 egg. So this pan is the brass pan. It's very famous to use in Thai kitchen. It gets hot quickly and then it holds the heat evenly. อ๋อลูกเท่านี้ใช่ไหมคะ So now we roll it about thumb size. The texture feel right. I believe it's gonna be perfect. And I believe that the taste is gonna be perfect too because we use the grated coconut that's gonna give sweetness and nutty taste into it. And the sweet potato And we made the curry paste and mixed with the palm sugar. I'm so confident because I have my mom and my dad helped. Ooh, smells so good. ทำนี้ก่อนนะ They look good. Let's check the first one. It looks nice. Smells good. And it's actually tastes perfect. The taste is so good already. The texture when I bite on it is also actually correct according to what my grandmother used to make for me. But the thing is, I need to use even lower heat, like use the least heat to let it fry slowly inside. So I believe once we have perfect heat, so it will take something like 2 to 3 minutes to cook it slowly. And if you can see here, I have very beautiful World of Thai Food t-shirt on. If you would like to have one for yourself, you can also go to my worldofthaifood.com website to order one for you. It's comfortable in the kitchen and it might make you feel more confident to cook Thai food. Okay, so after my parents have tasted it, they say the taste is actually perfect. The smell is good. That means we have used enough of the herbs. But the thing my dad just said, like if he would have done it for himself, he would make it spicier. But for me, I think this is snack that you eat sometimes without rice. So I reduce the heat on purpose. And also it's for my grandmother. She's already 95 years old, so better don't make it too spicy, otherwise it might burn her tongue. Anyway, and my mom also says she thinks that it is perfect taste. It give her the memory of childhood when she was young, and this is the taste that her mother used to cook for her. That is really nice to hear. It's successful. I think this one is also almost ready. So here is the Southern curry coconut snack that me and my parents created out of the memory, and it tastes so good. It looks beautiful. The smell is wonderful. I really recommend you to try this at home. So you can find the ingredients in worldofthaifood.com. I will put the link below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. For today, have a very spicy day. I'm gonna give this one to my grandmother. It's so good. What a spicy and sweet memory.